Hi, it's Mr. Anderson. We're going to be practicing some more sounds, okay? So we're going to see different letters and we're going to find pictures and words that match our letter up here. So the letter right now is M, mouse. I'm very scared of mice. I don't know about you, but I am. So we're going to find words that have a similar sound. Let's look. Oh, music. Music. I like to listen to music. I hope you do too. And that matches M and M.
Music.
Awesome. Let's find another one. Milk. Milk. Ooh, I like to drink milk. And I think milk does have that M sound in the beginning. So let's try it.
Milk.
Good work. Okay, let's try one more. Let's gonna move my. There we go. Okay. Corn. No. Neck. Pool. Pen. Camera. Napkin. Park. Map. 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 See if that works.
Map.
It did. Good work. Let's try another letter. Ooh, the letter T. My name starts with the letter T. My first name is Tom. Tom. T. And look, we have a table. Able. Let's see what other words we can find that have that same sound. Apple. Turtle. 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 Turtle.
Turtle.
Good work. Let's try another. Okay, let's look down over here. Neck. No. Corn. No. Tent. Oh, tent. Tent. Tent.
Tent.
All right, one more. Let's try the last row. Camera. Axe. Taffy. Taffy. Affy. Taffy.
Taffy.
Good work. So we worked on the letter M, and the letter T. Awesome job. Keep practicing, and you'll become even stronger and better readers. I'll see ya.